guys, so today we are going to clear all our doubts regarding future continuous tense. So if you remember, in past continuous tense we needed three situations, either of them to complete our sentence or to complete our idea. Same goes with future continuous tense. If we just write the first part of the sentence and then place the full stop right there, so it will grammatically be correct but not informatively. It will be incomplete. So let's check it out. Now this is the sentence. What if I just say that I will be sending the mails and then I put a full stop over here, only this much? Do you think that this sentence is giving me a complete information? So we require three situations. So either of the three situations we will use to complete or to provide a complete meaning to our sentence. So how will the remaining two look like? So what is this? This is the simple future and the remaining two. Can you guess which are the other two situations that we are going to just right now? You can keep the guess in your mind and check. Okay, so these are the other two sentences that help us to complete the information. So here we have used time, and here we have used the future continuous to complete our main idea. So guys, this is how these three situations help us to complete what we actually want to convey. Now let's see how the tense looks with different form of nouns. Okay, let's check them out. Let's take a verb. Let's say to drink. So we, you can go ahead and complete the rest. After which I have a question in my mind and I'll be asking you guys. And they will be drinking. So I don't know if you have this question or not, but I do have. Why do we require this be over here? What is the role of this be in this tense? If we just talk about future continuous, to represent the continuous form, we have drinking. So what is this be doing here? Did you guys ever think? Okay guys, so here whenever we have will, so will needs the support of first form of the verb. But unfortunately, because we are in the continuous form of the future, our verb is having ing and it is not the first form. And so we need a support for will, and so again we are going to call Mr. B over here to fulfill the requirement for will. Let's now try making a sentence, try converting it into a question and negative. Okay, so if you see, what do we have here to get this sentence converted into question? Yes, we have this will over here. So how will this sentence look like? Now, in this all procedure, I am also converting my sentences into questions. Did you notice that? Okay, let us change this. So we have will over here. So we can say, will Sam be feeding? Will Sam be feeding birds when I will wake up? Was this the same sentence that you have written? It's great. Let's try out the negative form. Are you ready? Let's see. So let us make this sentence in negative. So Sam doesn't love birds, so he'll not be feeding. So Sam will not be feeding birds when I will wake up. Easy, simple to understand, simple to convert them into question and negative. Did you guys get them correct, get them right? Then I'm pretty sure that you have nailed this tense. Let us see few errors that certainly people make while they are in a flow of using this tense. Okay, I'll write a sentence and you guys try spotting my errors. So let's see, are you able to spot the errors in the two sentences? Make sure that you're also counting the number of errors that I've made. Okay, so how many errors did you find? Let's check them out. This first sentence, they will, what did I miss? Yes, I missed the be over here, the very be, which is one of the most important forms of the verb in future continuous tense. Apart from that, here, she will be, and I have written call, which is the first form. I have missed the ing form. So, friends, whenever you are checking your future continuous tense, what are things you should keep in mind? First, have you correctly used the verbs? Haven't you missed any of the verbs? Second, the situation. Have you included either of the three situations that are important to be included to complete the information? So these are the two basic factors that you need to check while you are checking your sentences related to future continuous.